Greetings everyone wherever you are watching from. We are getting closer and closer to the weeks of actual court hearings, and each day put a lot of smiles on some people's faces and the sadness on others. However, the reality is the truth must be told. Atiku Abubakar of the People's Democratic Bola Tinubu tells tribunal, Peter Obi lacks right to contest my victory.
The major story here says Tinubu didn't need 25% of FCT votes to win presidential poll. INEC tells, and to the front page of the Nation newspaper now, Obi lacks right to contest my victory, Tinubu tells tribunal.
Bola Tinubu tells tribunal, Peter Obi lacks right to contest my victory. Wait a minute. Should the contest here be about who's got right or argument of meritocracy? Well, let us see what the paper reads. Of All Progressives Congress, INEC, President-elect Bola Tinubu is challenging the right of the Labour Party's candidate Peter Obi to forward his victory at the February 25th presidential election. In his response to the petition by Obi and the Labour Party, he argued that the former Anambra state government was not a lawful member of the LP as of the time he contested on the party's platform, and lacks the local standing to challenge the outcome of the exercise. He queried the competence of Obi's petition and they prayed the court to dismiss it. His team of lawyers, led by Wole Olanipekun, added that as of 24th May 2022, 6 days before the primary election of the Labour Party purportedly held to produce elect Obi as the presidential candidate of the party for the presidential election held on 25th February 2023, Obi was still a card-carrying member of the People's Democratic Party, and he did not resign his membership of the said party until 24th May 2022. They added that as of 30 days before Labour Party's presidential primary, Obi was still a presidential aspirant in the PDP. 90%. They also argued that the grounds on which the petition is predicated are incompetent, thereby denying the court the needed jurisdiction. The president-elect also contended that the reliefs being sought by the petitioners are not only incompetent but also ungrantable.
Direction of the authorities.
They also argued that the claim by Obi and his party that Tinubu was not qualified to contest the election was outside the issue the court could deal with because it falls within the presence of pre-election issues. He further argued that Tinubu was never convicted as claimed by Peter Obi.
Very much. Thank you.
He further argued that he is not currently under sentence of death imposed by any competent court of law or tribunal in Nigeria, or sentence of imprisonment or fine for any offense involving dishonesty or fraud imposed by any competent court of law or tribunal in Nigeria. He further pointed out that Obi did not disclose any fact showing that within a period of fewer than 10 years before the date of the election to the office of the president, Tinubu had been sentenced for an offense involving dishonesty or had been found guilty of the contravention of the code of conduct. After allegedly, he also faulted the claim by the petitioners that Tinubu's running mate Kashim Shettima was not qualified to stand for election in view of his alleged double nomination. They equally faulted the petitioners' questioning of the manner Tinubu appointed his running mate, Anthony Kibris Got Talent.